We're going to start by making the magic ring, and I will use the blue color. After making the magic ring, I make 3 chains to give double crochet height. Now inside the magic ring, I will work 3 more double crochet, totaling 4 points. I make 2 separation chains and work 4 double crochet. After doing the 4 double crochet, let's make 2 chains, and we will continue this way until we have 4 groups. Back a double crochet, separated by 2 chains. Ready, staff. Now that I've all groups, I will gently close my magic ring, and I will make a slip stitch here on top of the second point. Or I stretch the wire. I cut and finish with the tapestry needle. Of the 2 leftovers, for the first leftover, we just cut the thread. Let's introduce the needle from front to back. In the second point, I go back into the last current. From front to back, we also introduce the needle into the third initial current. Back here, let's hide the leftover wires. It's a square like this. Now I do on the slide. I leave it on the needle, inserting the needle into the space of the chains. I am looking for thread. I make 1 single crochet. Work 2 chains. 1 base point. And here in this space between the points, I make 1 single crochet. Work 2. 3 chains forgiveness. I jump 2 points, now and before the last point. Between the points, work 1 single crochet. I make 2 chains and 1 single crochet. Inside space. Of the currents, work 2 chains. I jump 1 point, and within the space between the points works 1 single crochet. 3 streams, I jump 2 points, and before the last point, between the points, make 1 single crochet. 2 chains, 1 single crochet inside space. We go working our part this way. All around, Now that we've finished this lap, I made a slip stick on the first single crochet. Advance. To the next space, I make a single crochet and a current. We can as mark this first single crochet. Now in the next space of chains, we are going to do 3 double crochet. I make 2 chains and 3 more double crochet inside from the same space. Make 1 chain and 1 single crochet inside the next space. Work 3 chains and 1 single crochet in the next space. I make 1 chain and 1 fan in the next 3 double crochet space. Now I do 2 chains and 3 more double crochet in the same space. Make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the next space. Now I do 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the next space, 1 current, and in the next space I will work that fan of 3 double crochet separated by 2 chains. Make 1 single crochet, and I will repeat the whole sequence until the end of the lap. To finish, I will make 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space, 3 cliffs and a slip stitch, or each with a tapestry needle. At the single crochet, Now let's work with the color green. I'll hold the thread like this. Loop twice. Secure the loops. Secure excess wire. I am looking for bow wire. Shot 2 loop straps. The last 2? Here in this same space, I will work 3 more double crochet, totaling 4 points. Within this space of 3 streams, after making the 4 double crochet, I make 2 separation chains and work 4 more double crochet in the same space. The fan will look like this. Make a chain and a single crochet here inside the fan. From previous row, make 1 chain. In the next 3 chain space, we will work 4 double crochet. Repeating this first fan we made at this time, then I do the 4 double crochet. I make 2 chains and 4 more double crochet, here inside the same space. I make 1 separating chain. Put 1 single crochet here inside the previous row fan. Make 1 chain, and here in the next 3 space, I will form that fan of 4 double crochet separated by 2 chains. And so we're going to do all around. Following this sequence, when it ends, you can make 1 slip stitch on the second double crochet, or finish with tapestry needle. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful square with the colors of Brazil. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next